Before you called it, I was very excited about that time.
Yeah, Molson was very excited about that in Canada, too. Very excited about that. I was playing at the CNE, and I was playing up at the Molson sign. Serves them right. It serves them all right. They all deserve it. They earned it. You should have, the Molson home for the homeless. Instead of all of this crap that's spending on advertising and everything. Everybody drinks the beer anyway. They all just go on their own horn. Why don't they spend money on helping people?
Yeah.
And it's just great advertising. Why don't they build a big building and hire staff and doctors and people like that and all wear Budweiser or Molson stickers on their white outfits and help people? Why don't they do that with their money instead? I'm starting to like that idea. How do you like that, Molson? I'll probably never work again, what can I say? They bought every venue. The beer companies have bought every place where a guy like me can work. So if I'm going to work, I sign with the promoter to do a job. Pretty soon I find out that I'm being presented by Budweiser or Miller High Life in some concert series, and I'm not dealing with them. I'm dealing with the promoter. The promoter's dealing with them. But it comes out to the public that we're playing for Miller beer or something. I'm not going to tell people to drink a certain kind of beer or whatever. Just people who like my music should. I think they're imposing on basic. But they're stepping over the line.
How do you host radio?
No, I love playing in Canada. I like going up to Canada and playing there. It's a lot of fun. I hope I can bring the Blue Notes up there. If there's any places left to play up there. I haven't been totally overtaken.
Why? Those corporations.
Well, I'll even play those places. It's just that after, they hear some of the things that I'm saying about them, maybe they might not want me to play there. But I don't think so. What the heck? Any advertising is good advertising, yeah?